Graph the linear inequality. 3x minus y is greater than 0. Let's start by graphing the boundary line. Three x minus y is equal to 0. I think I'll graph this by solving for y. If we subtract 3x from both sides, then we've got a negative y is equal to negative 3x, or y is equal to 3x. So our boundary line is a line that goes through the origin. This is in a slope-intercept form, and there is no intercept identified, therefore it's 0. So this line goes through the origin at 0, 0, and it has a slope of 3, or 3 over 1. Therefore, we can get from the origin to another point on the line by rising 3 units and running 1 unit. That's a rise 3, run 1 to count off the slope. So this boundary line also goes through the point 1, 3. Now as we graph it, we'll graph this boundary line as a dotted line because this is a strict inequality. We want to include points that satisfy 3x minus y is greater than 0. There's no equal to part here. Thus we draw a dotted line. Now let's determine which side of this line to shade to identify the correct region. Let's choose a test point that is definitely off of the line, so we can't choose the origin. How about this point out here on the x-axis at 3, 0? So let's test the point 3, 0 in the inequality statement. 3x minus y is greater than 0. Does it work? Let's substitute 3 for x and 0 for y. Is this a true statement? In other words, is 9 minus 0 or 9 greater than 0? Yes, indeed, that's true. So our point 3, 0 satisfies the inequality. Therefore, we know as well that each of these points to the right and below that line satisfy the inequality. So here we see the graph of the inequality 3x minus y is greater than 0.